Hello, my name is Huan, and I am currently enrolled in Business Information System IB. I am very happy to have the opportunity to participate in the study tour to National Taipei University of Technology NTUT in Taiwan. The study tour lasts for 6 days. During these 6 days, I have learned a lot of new things and met new friends from both UTAR and NTUT. During this study tour, I experienced various activities and workshops like 5-element bracelet making, stone seal engraving and calligraphy, tea ceremony, and design thinking engineering workshop. The study tour to NTUT was an incredible journey. The exchange of ideas, cultural immersion, and academic collaboration significantly contribute to my growth. Also, this experience provided me with a broader perspective and deeper understanding of Taiwanese culture. I am very grateful to Silverlake UTAR for their generous sponsorship, which played an important role in making this study tour to a reality. Their support not only helped me to ease the financial burden of this trip, but also fueled my passion for learning. Thank you.